Hekk kif ninsabu biss ftit xhur qabel żewġ appuntamenti politiċi oħra, l-elezzjonijiet tal-Kunsilli Lokali u tal-Membri Parlamentari Ewropej, il-Partit Nazzjonalista se jkun maqud fi front wieħed kontra l-Gvern u l-korruzzjoni. Iddikjara dan Adrian Delija, kap tal-Oppożizzjoni u tal-Partit Nazzjonalista li t-tlieta kien il-mistieden tat-Times Talk.
We need to be disciplined, we need to be focused, we need to be together, we need to be united. And that's the message.
Mistoqsi dwar l-attakki fil-konfront tiegħu Adrian Delija qal li dawn huma l-konsegwenza tal-mod ġdid li wiegħed u li qed jimplementa.
And I did promise a new way, and I am implementing a new way. New ways sometimes get uncertainty, get doubts, get doubters, get people who are still hesitant. My job is to convince. But now we don't have any more time to waste.
Kien għalhekk li fit-tmexxija tal-Partit Nazzjonalista Adrian Delija immedjatament fetaħ il-bibien beraħ għal dawk li ma jridux jassoċjaw ruhom mal-aġir ta' dan l-gvern.
My message is the Nationalist Party, and that's the new way, is open doors. So we are not differentiating between those who are in the party or within the party. We are saying we are appealing to anybody who wants a better Malta.
U ddikjara li fost l-akbar suċċess u unuri li kiseb bħala kap tal-Partit Nazzjonalista kien hemm il-ħidma fost in-nies.
Helping people, listening to people, learning for people, and taking back the PN to its roots, where it belongs.
Għalli u jibqa' jemmen f'dan il-messaġġ u se jaħdem għal dan il-għan ta' Malta aħjar minkejja kollox, minkejja l-isfidi politiċi u ekonomiċi li affaċċja l-Partit Nazzjonalista u minkejja l-problemi personali tiegħu.
Personal separation has nothing to do with the ability to lead a party to be the leader of the opposition. There have been a myriad of cases all over the democratic world where people have separated, divorced, annulled, married again, separated again.
Fine, but this is a case.
It is life. I will go ahead more resolved than ever to do my job, do it well, do it properly.
Il-kap tal-Partit Nazzjonalista saħaq li l-problemi personali tiegħu qed jgħinu jifhem aktar lil min għaddej mill-problemi.
And the immense and overwhelming support that I have received from people that are realizing that politicians are humans, that are realizing that you can have issues and can become more sensitive, that you can have problems and become more aware, that you can have solutions where before you didn't even realize that there exists any problem. This was the first ever election where a leader was elected by the people, from the people. I represent those. And I can assure you that the overwhelming support that I have received from them is not only comforting, but convinces me more than ever that I'm in the right track.
Adrian Delija qal li l-poplu għandu għażla ċara qudiemu.
We need to make one decision in this country. Are we against the most corrupt government ever or not? And what are the alternatives? In my mind, clearly, the Nationalist Party.
In-nota kif l-aħħar survey tal-Malta Today juri li l-poplu qed jifhem din l-għażla bil-kap tal-Partit Nazzjonalista jżid 10% fl-appoġġ tiegħu waqt li l-Partit Nazzjonalista kiber ukoll b'7%.